Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Jain. I'm the founder and director of Delhi Foot, Delhi's only exclusive foot and ankle and podiatry clinic. I am trained orthopedic surgeon, but I specialized in foot and ankle surgery and podiatry. And I'm trained across the world in Germany, Korea, and Singapore. I have been using Shapecrunch insoles for last 2 years for all the ailments that I see across my OPD tables, and then they include pes planus, which is flat feet, high arch feet, plantar fasciitis, Morton's neuroma, metatarsalgia of unknown cause, and arthritis also. And my experience with Shapecrunch technology has been very good. In the past, I had been using some other technology, which we call foam pad technology, which had their own flaws. But about Shapecrunch, I would like to say that it is highly recommended. At least I use it. I only use Shapecrunch because it's highly customizable depending upon patient's gender, weight, kind of foot pattern the patient has, kind of other ailment like knees or hips patient is having. Shapecrunch is very much flexible and customizable. All of my patients have had very good results, at least 99% of them. So I would highly recommend Shapecrunch insoles for any foot ailments that you come across. Thank you and have a good day.